Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the high-tech wizard, the Roborock Q Revo. And in the right corner, ready to suck up the competition, the eufy X8 Pro. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes our wallets cry: price. The Roborock Q Revo comes in at a whopping $899. That's right, folks, you could basically get a small used car for that price. Meanwhile, the eufy X8 Pro is a more reasonable $649. So if your bank account is already looking like a desert, eufy might be your oasis. Next, let's talk docks. The Roborock Q Revo dock is like a Swiss Army knife. It has auto mop washing, hot air drying, and even a 5L water tank. It's basically the Tony Stark of robot vacuum docks. On the other hand, the eufy X8 Pro says, "Hey, I've got a 2.5L dustbin, and I empty it every 45 days. That's pretty impressive too. But it feels like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a butter knife. Both cut, but one's just way cooler. Cleaning power. Roborock Q Revo brings a 5,500 Pascal suction to the table. That's like the vacuum equivalent of a tornado in your living room. Meanwhile, eufy X8 Pro packs a 2 by 4,000 Pascals twin turbine suction. It's like having two mini tornadoes working in tandem. So if you like your floors to be cleaner than your conscience, both are solid picks. But hey, more suction is more suction, right? Now let's talk about multitasking. The Roborock Q Revo has dual spinning mops with 200 RPM speed and auto mop lifting. It's like a tiny, angry janitor that lifts its mop to avoid carpets. eufy X8 Pro? Well, it's great at vacuuming, but doesn't come with mopping. So if you want an all-in-one cleaner, Roborock's got you covered. If you just want to vacuum, eufy's your guy. Obstacle avoidance. This is where the Roborock Q Revo flexes its tech muscles with reactive tech and PresaSense LiDAR navigation. It can detect and avoid obstacles like a pro, creating 3D maps of your home. The eufy X8 Pro isn't a slouch either with its iPath laser navigation. It's like comparing a Tesla to a self-driving golf cart. Both are smart, but one just feels more cutting edge. Amazon reviewers have praised the Roborock Q Revo for its suction power, water flow control for mopping, and AI object recognition. However, some users have had issues with the main brush obstruction and carpet mode, which were resolved with firmware updates. On the other hand, reviewers of the eufy X8 Pro appreciate its strong suction power, efficient cleaning, and user-friendly app. However, there have been some concerns about battery life after 6 months. Overall, both products have received positive feedback, with Roborock being noted for its advanced features and eufy for its reliability and ease of use. All right, smart shoppers, that's a wrap. If you want a high-tech, multifunctional robot vacuum that can practically clean the entire neighborhood, the Roborock Q Revo is your go-to. But if you're looking for a powerful, straightforward vacuum that won't have you taking out a second mortgage, the eufy X8 Pro is a fantastic choice. So which one are you picking? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy. Stay smart, shoppers, and remember, product links are in the description.